What's going on, everybody? This is Chad Henry for you here at Holiday Motors, and right now I want to show you this 2005 Ford F-150 Lariat that we just grabbed. This is a local truck. It's CARFAX 2 owner, but the second owner purchased and registered it when it was less than a year old, in January of 2006, when it had just over 2,000 miles on it. So this last owner of it has had this truck pretty much its entirety. Either way, the original one shows from being here in southeastern Virginia as well. So the truck's been down here forever, same owner since 2006, extremely well taken care of, paint and body in great shape. This of course is a four-wheel drive. We'll show you underneath of it. Rust-free vehicle, rocker panels. I'll show you all that stuff here in just a moment. But yeah, as you can see, your rocker panels, the cab corners, everything in great shape on this truck, both sides. Keyless coated door entry. The leather is in great shape. Everything about the interior, as you can see on this door panel here. Power windows, locks, mirrors, tilt, cruise, adjustable pedals. It does have driver memory seat, and then leather interior in great shape, as you can see here, even on this side bolster. Nice headliner, center console in good shape. As you can see, the carpets down here, these are the original mats, it looks like, and very nice as well. And a 2005 with just 75,000 miles on it, just over 75,000. Brand new inspection sticker. You have heated seats. Nice deep console, glove box with the owner's manual, of course. Just a super clean, very well taken care of local truck. Get this back open for you. And of course, the extended cab with the full back seat. These seats do fold up if you need any more cargo space. But just a nice, clean unit, affordable truck. Seems like every truck that we've gotten in the last year has been over $20,000. This one, of course, is going to be well under $20,000. It's hard to find anything like this that's in this kind of shape and condition, you know, for a reasonable price. But we've got it right here, 3203 Victory Boulevard, Portsmouth, Virginia. Been right here since 1974. Online at holidaymotors.com. You can go there. We've got credit applications. We've got tons of great financing. We've got warranty is included, top dollars for your trade. Give us a call today. Let us see how we can earn your business. Call or text 757-487-7333. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching as always.